Hi students, in last class we discussed about the interference of the light, which is explained by the Young's Thomas sign, and from that we have derived the expression for the fringe width in Young's double slit experiment, and also we have discussed about the distance of the bright fringes and the dark fringes from the central maxima, and even we have discussed about the how is the interference will be takes place on the thin films. And I hope you practice well whatever the derivation and the formulas which are related to this interference of Young's double slit experiment. So let me discuss some problems which are based on this Young's double slit experiment of interference. Let us see here. Laser light of wavelength 630 nanometer. So wavelength is given 630 nanometer. First to write the given information. What is given? Wavelength is given 630 nanometer. Wavelength lambda is equal to 630 nanometer. It produces an interference pattern. Inside the pair of slits produces an interference pattern in which the light fringes are separated by 8.1 millimeter. That means what? Separation between two fringes. Is it? Bright fringes are separated by 8.1 millimeter. In this case, what is the fringe width? Beta 1 is equal to 8.1 millimeter. 8.1 millimeter. Now, a second laser light produces an interference in which fringes are separated by 7.2 millimeter. Calculate the wavelength of the second light. Means, let me take it is lambda 1 corresponding to lambda 1 the fringe width is 8.1 millimeter, and corresponding to lambda 2 is a what is wavelength for which fringe width is 7.2 millimeter. That means we have changed the monochromatic source of light. First one laser light, next another color of light is taken. These are what here? Fringe widths. Fringe widths. Beta 1, beta 2 represents the fringe. Now already you know it very well. Last class, what would be the expression for fringe width in Young's double slit experiment? Beta is equal to lambda capital D by small d. Fringe width in Young's double slit experiment. Fringe width in Young's double slit experiment. Beta is equal to lambda capital D by small d. Lambda capital D by small d. So what we can observe from this one? Fringe width is inversely proportional to, directly proportional to the wavelength. So is it? More is the wavelength, more is the fringe width. Less is the wavelength, less is the fringe width. So what is it? But we need to calculate what? Wavelength. Lambda 2 has to be calculated. Then let me write the expression. What we can write? Lambda 2 by lambda 1 is equal to beta 2 by beta 1. Is it? Now wavelength we need to calculate. Lambda 2 is equal to beta 2 by beta 1 into lambda 1. That is equal to, substitute the values of the beta. Beta 2 is 7.2 by beta 1 is what? 8.1. 8.1 into lambda 1. What is the wavelength of the first laser light? 630 nanometer. 630 nanometer. Now 7.2 millimeter, 8.1 millimeter, so both will be cancelled. Whereas 630 nanometer, so that you will get the answer is also in nanometer. That is equal to here 23.43. Here again 23.7. Is it 6 2.1? So 7 3 is 2.1, and even here we are calculating this, we will get have used the second for fringe width is 7.2 millimeter is nothing but what here 560 nanometer. The thing we should know, the fringe width expression beta is equal to lambda capital D by small d. Second example, a double slit is illuminated by light of wavelength 6000 angstrom. The slits are 0.1 centimeter apart. So, and the screen is placed 1 meter away. 1 meter away. Screen is placed 1 meter away. Calculate the angular position of the 10th maximum in radians and even separation between the two adjacent things. So let us write. Let me write the given information. What is given here? Wavelength. Lambda is equal to 6000 angstrom. Is it? That is equal to 6000 into 1 angstrom value is what? 10 power minus 10 meter. That is equal to 6 into 10 power minus 7 meter. Similarly, slits are 0.1 centimeter apart. So that is what? Separation between two slits. Small d. Separation between two slits d is equal to 0.1 centimeter. Centimeter means 10 power minus 2, then 10 power minus 3 meter. And even the screen is placed 1 meter away. That means capital D, separation between screen and slits is 1 meter. Then we need to find the angular position of the 10th maximum in radians and separation between the two adjacent nodes. So let me know what you have to calculate here. Here, so we have here, this is what? Small d, and from here this is what? Center. From here, angular width of 10th maximum. What is the angle of 10th? Is it? So what you know? That means n is equal to how much is it? 10. N is equal to 10. Then tell me the formula for distance of nth maxima. X is equal to n lambda d by d. N lambda d by d. But what we have to calculate here? What we have to calculate here? Angular width of the 10th maximum. Angular width of 10th maxima theta is equal to, what I mean by theta angle? X by d or n lambda d by d. So n lambda by small d. Okay? Or beta by capital D. Now n is equal to, substitute these values here. N is what? 10 into wavelength. What is wavelength? 6 into 10 power minus 7 meter. Then 6 into 10 power minus 7 by small d. What is small d value? 10 power minus 3 meter. 10 power minus 3 meter. That is equal to, here 6 into 10 into 10 power minus 7, 10 power minus 6, and 10 power minus 3 goes to numerator plus 3. Then 6 into 10 power minus 6 plus 3. Therefore, theta is equal to 6 into 10 power minus 3. Minus 6 plus 3, minus 3 radian. So this is what 10th angle of 10th maxima, angle of 10th maxima. So this is what x10, x10. Is it x10? So from this only xn by capital D is equal to theta is equal to xn by capital D, that is equal to what? N lambda by small d, n lambda by small d. And moreover, they are asking to find the separation between the two adjacent minima. Let me remember what do you mean by the fringe width. What do you mean by fringe width? The separation between two successive or consecutive maxima or consecutive minima. Bright fringes, consecutive bright fringes or consecutive dark fringes. That is what? Consecutive minima, which is nothing but what? It is fringe width. So they are asked to find separation between the two adjacent minima. Separation between two adjacent minima is nothing but what? Fringe width. Is it okay? So what is that? Then beta is equal to what you know? Lambda d by small d. Lambda d by small d. Substitute value lambda 6 into 10 power minus 7 into capital D is what? 1 by small d value is what? 10 power minus 7. That is equal to 6 into 10 power minus 7. Minus equals to means plus 3. That is equal to 6 into 10 power minus 4 meter. Or even we can write here 0.6 millimeter. That is what the fringe width of this problem. This is just we need to know angular fringe width formula. This is what very important things. So yesterday we have seen all these things. Once again you have to remember that xn by d, or even you can write beta by capital D. So let me go to the next problem. Next, in Young's double slit experiment, the fringes are formed at a distance of 1 meter from double slits of separation 0.12 millimeter. Calculate the distance of third dark band from the center of screen, and whereas given third bright band from the center of the screen, it will be calculated. So let me write the given information. What given? Distance of 1 meter from the double slits. That means what? The screen is placed. Capital D is equal to 1 meter, and separation between the slits, small d is equal to what? 0.12 millimeter. Is it? That means what you can write here? 1.2 into 12, 0.1 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Or even you can write 12 into 10 power minus 5. And also given wavelength lambda is equal to 6000 angstrom. That is equal to 6 into 10 power minus 7 meter. So what we need to calculate first one? Distance of third dark band from the center of the screen. Tell me, what is the distance of the nth dark band from the center? Distance of nth dark band. Nth dark band from center. What is the expression? xn is equal to 2n minus 1 into lambda d by 2d. Then how do we take n values? 1, 2, 3 and so on. That means for first argument means instead of n 1, second argument means 2, instead of n is equal to 3 means third. But for what we need to calculate? Third argument. So n value what we take? 3. For third argument n is equal to 3. Therefore x3 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 1, 2n minus 1 into lambda d by d. Okay, just now lambda is what? 6 into 10 power minus 7 into capital D 1 by 2 into small d value is what? Small d 0.1 into 10 power minus 3. 0.12 into 10 power minus 3. That is equal to here 2 into 3 6 minus 1 5. 5 into 6 30. Is it 30? 30 into 10 power minus 7 is 3 into 10 power minus 6. So 3 into 10 power minus 6 by. So even you can write here what? 1.2 into 10 power minus 4. 2 into 1.2 2.4 into 10 power minus 4. Is it? This 1.10 power minus 4. Now here it is even you can take 30 by 24. Is it 5 by 4? So this is what? 5 by 4. 1.25 into 4 0.6 5 0.6. So 5 into 1.25 into 10 power minus 2 meter, which is nothing but what it is? 1.25 centimeter. Is it? That means the distance of the third diaphragm from central maximum is what? 1.25 centimeter. Now second one, what are they asking? The distance of third bright band from the center of the screen. What is the formula for distance of nth bright band? What is the formula for distance of nth bright band? N lambda capital D by small d. Then xn is equal to n lambda capital D by small d. Then for third bright band, what you can take as value? 3. Therefore x3 is equal to 3 lambda capital D by small d. Is it there is what? 5. That is equal to 3 into lambda 6 into 10 power minus 7 into capital D 1 by small d 0.12 into 10 power minus. Is it? That implies here what it is? 3 0.04 again here 0.02. Here it is 3. That is equal to 3 into 10 power minus 7 by here 2 into 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 3, 2 into 10 power minus 1. That is equal to 1.5 centimeter. 3 by 1.5, 10 power minus 7 plus 5, 10 power minus 2, which is 1.5 centimeter is the distance of the third bright beam, whereas dark beam is what? 1.25 centimeter. Next one, let's see. So next subs expense is eliminated by light of wavelength 5890 angstrom. So what is wavelength? Wavelength lambda is equal to 5890 angstrom. 5890 angstrom. Is it? And the distance between the fringes is 0.2 degree. So what they given? Angular fringe width is given. So angular fringe width in where air. So let me take theta in air is equal to what? 0.2 degree. 0.2 degree. The whole apparatus is immersed in water. Then find out the angle with the water. Even the refractive index of water is even what? 4 pi. So I hope you understood in last class that what will be happening in the whole of these thermostat when it's immersed in water or in liquid. What happens to the wavelength will be decreased. So that what happens to the fringe. So remember, what is the formula for angular fringe width? What is formula for angular fringe width? Theta is equal to lambda by small d or beta by capital D. Is it? But what they given according to this information we don't know beta or D, so that you need to take this lambda by small d. And even this value is when I say even it is water on air, therefore what you know? Theta is directly proportional to what? Wavelength. So angular fringe width is directly proportional to the wavelength. Now tell me, wavelength of the water, wavelength of the light in air is what? 5890 angstrom. Then what would be the wavelength in water? Is it? We know it is what? Lambda dash. Lambda is equal to lambda in 8 by mu. Lambda in 8 by mu. So that is what we can find here. Theta in water by theta in air is equal to lambda in water by lambda in air. Directly proportionally. Now lambda in water by lambda in air is nothing but what? 1 by mu. Mu is nothing but what here? 4 by 3. Is it okay? Then angular fringe width in water is equal to wavelength of the water by wavelength of the air. What is the difference? 1 by mu into theta in air. That is equal to 1 by mu. Mu is nothing but 4 by 3. Then what is it here? 3 by 4 into theta in air. What is theta in air? 0.2 degree. 0.2 degree. So here it is what? 4 by 3 by 4, which is here 0.1, here 2, that is equal to 3 by 2 means 1.5 into 10, 0.15 degree. So this is what the angular fringe width in water. Angular fringe width in air is 0.2 degree. Angular fringe width in water is what? 0.15 degree, which is decreases. Now come to the next one. The path difference between two interfering waves at a point on screen is 171.5 times the wavelength. So what is given? Path difference delta is equal to what is given? 171.5 times of the wavelength. 171.5 times of the wavelength. So what you can write here? That is equal to what is this difference? 171.5. So you multiply and divide with to what you get here? 171, 370, 343 into lambda by 2. So this is what we can observe here. The path difference is odd number. It is 343 is nothing but what? Odd number. Okay. Well, because of odd multiples of lambda by 2, so what does it represent? This is the path difference which is corresponding to what? Dark fringe. So it is corresponding to the dark fringe. It is corresponding to dark fringe. Okay. Okay. But here what is given? What is given? Path difference is given already. Path difference is given. How much is it? 0.0109 centimeter. And this one 343 into lambda by 2. That value is equal to what? 0.01029 centimeter. Therefore, delta is equal to 343 lambda by 2. That is equal to, from this one what it is given? 0.0. That means what we can write this one? Centimeter 10 power minus 2. Okay, then let me write here 102.9 into 102.9 into here 10 power minus 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 power minus 6. 10 power minus 6. Okay, 10 power minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 power minus 6. Okay, that is equal to what? 102.9 into 10 power minus 6 by into 10 power minus 6. So we take, therefore lambda is equal to 2 into 102.9 into 10 power minus 6 or 1029 into 10 power minus 7 by 343. 343. Is it okay? Then what is how many times it is? 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9. So how many times it will be? 3 times. Therefore, lambda is equal to 6 into 10 power minus 7 meter, or 6 into 10 power minus 7 meter is nothing but what? How many angstrom? That is equal to 6000 angstrom. This is what the wavelength of the light used. And here I am giving the one more question to you regarding this question, regarding this problem, that we came to know that what is coming here? Dark fringe. And even they given the path difference also, what it is given? 102.9 and wavelength we got. Can you calculate what would be the dark fringe is formed? Calculate 10th dark fringe or 5th dark fringe. How much is it? Is it odd multiples of the lambda by 2? Which dark fringe is formed? 343 times of the path n lambda by 2. Okay, then the dark fringe form is what? 340, which is nothing but 2n minus 1 into lambda by 2. N the dark fringe what you can calculate from this example. And let me go to the next example. Let me go to the next problem, that light of wavelength 6000 angstrom. So what is given here? Wavelength is given. Lambda is equal to 6000 angstrom. What does it represent in meter? 6 into 10 power minus 7 meter. Is incident on a thickness, a thin glass plate of refractive index is 1.5. Mu is equal to 1.5. Such that angle of refraction to the plate is 60 degree. Are given angle of the smallest thickness of plate which will make it appear dark by reflection. So what is the smallest thickness of the plate? You need to calculate T value. Smallest means what? N is equal to 1 or what we have calculated thickness. Now tell me, for reflected system, for dark fringes, what is the condition for path difference? For minimum or for dark fringes, remember 2 mu t cos is equal to n, that we have discussed last class. Now minimum, what they given? The smallest, calculate the smallest thickness of the plate which will make it appear dark. So what do you take here? N value for this one, which is the smallest means n is equal to what again? 1. N is equal to 1 you take, then T is equal to m lambda by 2 mu cos r, that is equal to n value is what? 1 into 6 into 10 power minus 7 by 2 into refractive index is what? 1.5 into cos r, r is what? 60. R is equal to 60. Is it? Here how many times it is? 4 times. And again 2 here 2. That is equal to what again here? 2. Okay. Here cos 60 value is what? 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 if it goes to what again here? 2. Then 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 10 power minus 7 meter is the thickness of the plastic. Thickness. Similarly, next one. Light is incident on a glass plate of refractive index is given 1.5, such that angle of refraction is 60 degree and dark band is observed corresponding to wavelength of 6000 angstrom. Again for dark band, calculate the wavelength of the interference band for reflected system. Is it? Thickness is given. Calculate the order of the wave interference. That means order of the interference means n value oscillate. Again write the given information. What is when mu is equal to what it is? 1.5 and angle of refraction is equal to what? 60 degree. Dark band is observed corresponding to wavelength is what here? 6000 angstrom, which is equal to 6 into 10 power minus 7 meter, and T value is 1.2 into 10 power minus 3 millimeter. Thickness, what is T is equal to 1.2 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Millimeter converted to meter. That is equal to 1.2 into 10 power minus 6 meter. Now you need to calculate n value. For reflected system, again it is reflected system only. Minimum 2 mu t cos r is equal to m lambda. For maximum means 2 mu t cos r is equal to 2n minus 1 into lambda by 2. Then we need to calculate what? N value. N is equal to 2 mu t cos r by 2 mu t cos r by lambda. Substitute values. N is equal to 2 into mu is what? 1.5 into thickness 1.2 into 10 power minus 6. 1.2 into 10 power minus 6 into T and cos 60 by wavelength. What is wavelength of light here? 6 into 10 power minus 7 meter. 6 into 10 power minus 7. 6 into 10 power minus 7. Now it is how many times here? 3 and 1.5 it is how many times? 2 and again 2 here it is 0.6. Now cos 60 value is what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 0.6, then n is equal to what? 0.6 into, here 10 power minus 7 goes to numerator, plus 7, that means minus 6 plus 7 into 1 by 2. Here it is what? 0.3, and 10 power minus 6 plus 1 means 10, then 0.3 into 10 is equal to what? 3, then n is equal to 3. That represents third dark fringes observed for this reflected system regarding to this problem. These are some problems which are related to this interference pattern we have seen, and let me continue in the next class also to discuss some problems which are based on this one, but somewhat difficult problems will solve in the next class. And before that, you practice all the related problems which are which whatever you have the books available to you, and so that you can practice well. If you practice well, then you can understand the problems and concepts, so that for next class it would be easy for solving problems. Thank you.